Hey, real quick while my daughter's asleep, do you play a traditional saxophone mute made from a curtain ring or pipe cleaners wrapped in velvet ribbon or something similar? If so, I think you should try our new velvet bell ring. It has this special shape to it that we spent a lot of time developing so that it grips the inside of the saxophone bell and stays exactly where you put it. So you can press it in a little bit deeper or rotate it. You can decide if you want the pitch of low B to come down a little bit in addition to low B flat. It's just, I think, the perfect modernized, improved take on the classic traditional cloth mute for saxophone. It has a beautiful dark sound. It improves response, in my opinion and experience. They're great. Different colors, they look great. peakperformancewoodwinds.com.